Okay, so our topic is linear inequalities in one variable. So, diretso-diretso na taanin niya ha. So, we have here, when we say inequality, it, it is a mathematical statement that relates a linear expressions as either less than or greater than. Example of this, 5x plus 7 is less than 22. One example sa linear inequality. Negative 2 times x plus 8 plus 6 greater than or equal to 20. Or we have negative 2 times 4x minus 5 is less than 9 minus 2 times x minus 2. Muna yung mga example sa linear inequality. Ang inequality, linear inequality has a solution that makes the inequality a true statement when substituted for the variable. Linear equations can have infinitely many solutions, or it has no solution at all. If there are many solutions exist, we will use that solution set. Ang tawag ng mga solutions niya, solution set, and can be graphed on a number line. So, mag-graph ta later on. So, question, x is equal to negative 2 and x is equal to 4. Solutions to 3x plus 7 is less than 16. To solve that, let's have 3x plus 7 minus 60 is less than 16. Then we will use this negative 2 as the value of our x. So 3 times negative 2 plus 7 is less than 16. So 3 times negative 2, negative 6 plus 7 is less than 16. And then, negative 6 plus 7, that is 1, is less than 16. Is the statement true or false? 1 is less than 16. So, kay true man siya, meaning to say, kanang negative 2 is one of the solution set sa inequality 3x plus 7 is less than 16. What about if x is 4? So, 3 times 4, hindi mo na siyang ipulihan sa x, plus 7 is less than 16. So, 3 times 4 is 12 plus 7 is less than 16. Pangit-pangit mo na ang pagkasulat. 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 is less than 16. Is the statement true or false? Ang 19 kuno less than sa 16. False, di ba? So, false. Pasabot, ang 4 is not a solution to the inequality. Okay? Sige, let's continue. So, when you graph the inequality on a number line as race, we have this inequality. If the symbol is less than or greater than, we use an open dot to indicate that the endpoint of the ray is not part of the solution. Kung less than or equal to, greater than or equal to ang symbol nga gigamit, we use the closed dot. So, ipasabot na. So, let's have x is greater than 11. So, pag graph nimo sa number line, 11 man eh. So, nara 10, 12, 14. So, na diri in between ang 11. Greater than ang symbol nga ginagamit, mao ni nga open dot ang gigamit. And then, padulong dito sa right ang arrow. So, padulong po sa right ang arrow. What if x is less than 4? So, ano mo na siya pag-graph? So, diri ka. Open dot. Gamayon na dako lang kung pagkuan niya kay naku ako nagamit. Dayon, padulong dito sa left ang arrow. Back. Okay, kaniman. Okay? Now, what if we have the greater than or equal to kung kani greater than or equal to and less than or equal to ang gigamit. So, if x is greater than or equal to 2, so sa pag-graph. So, maghimo ka graph. Diri sa number line, adin ni ang number 2. Kini man ang symbol, so close dot na siya. Close dot, lang. Close dot siya, okay, greater than or equal to, padulong din dito ang iyahang symbol, ang iyang direction, kay kani man ang gawin. Okay? So, example, solve na ta, okay, mag-graph later on. So, we have negative 2x plus 1 is greater than 21. So, bring down negative 2x is greater than or equal to bring down 21. Positive 1 becomes negative 1. So, negative 2x. Ila man ang 21 minus 21? 21 minus 1. 20. So, sunod, imo na yung i-divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. Remember this. When you multiply or divide inequality by negative, kung mag-multiply ka ba or mag-divide ka inequality, negative, ang iyahang sign is reverse. So, kani, ang iyang sign is greater than or equal to man. Ma-reverse siya, mabali siya. Mahimo siyang less than or equal to negative. Pila man ang 20 divided by negative 2, di ba? Negative 10. So, nabali ang iyahang symbol kay nag-divide man ta og negative. Basta negative gani nga number imong i-divide dinhi, ma-reverse ang sign. Kung saan mo na siya pag-graph, so mag-drawing kag number line. Dari number line. Dayon, since we use the close dot kay greater than or less than or equal to. Example, nara diri ang negative 10. Unang negative 10. So, we will use the close dot, meaning to say, apil sa solution set ang negative 10. Padulong dahin ka. Okay? So, sunod. Pero, when you divide both sides inequality by negative number, the direction of the inequality is reverse. So, kani, example, we have 2x minus 8 is greater than, less than 14. So, 2x minus 8 is less than 14. So, 2x is less than 14 plus 8. Kaya negative man na dito. So, 2x is less than 14 plus 8, 20. 2 divide by 2. Positive ni, dili ni ma-reverse kay positive man. So, x is less than 11. Nara yung answer. So, less than man, it is an open dot. Nara diri ang 11 sa tunga. It is an open dot, then the direction is on the left. Kay less than man, padulong man dito. Okay? Kani. So, 4x minus 4 is greater than 12. So, 4x is greater than 12. Negative man ni, mahimong positive. So, 4x is greater than 16. Asagi ka ng 16, 12 plus 4. Divide sa 4, i-divide sa 4. So, x is greater than 4. Narang 4. Greater than, it is an open dot going to the right direction. Then, okay lang example? Yes. This one. 5x plus 3 is less than 28. So, 5x, cancel na siya, no? 28, positive man ni, nahimong negative. 28 minus 3, 25. 5x is less than or equal to 25. Divide by 5, divide by 5. Nahimo ng x is less than or equal to 5. Ano 5 ni? 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5x divided by 5 is x. So, this symbol is a closed dot. Less than or equal to. Munang closed dot. Muna ang 5 na diri. 4, 5, 6. So, padulong dito ang arrow. Okay? So, this one, fraction. Fraction, we have 1/2 x. 1/2 x. 1/2 x minus 7 is less than 13. So, ang nabilin is 1/2 x is less than 13 plus 7. Okay, negative man. So, 1/2. Wait lang. Nag-record pa ko. 1/2 x is less than 13 plus 7, 20. So, saan mo na pagpangita si x? Imo nang i-multiply by, the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 over 1. Diri po, i-multiply po nimo 2 over 1. So, cancel na ang 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. Ang nabilin, si x is less than 20 times 2, 40. Divided by 1, 40. So, x is less than 40. Nara. So, nara iya. Pwede nga by 10, by 5, 35, 40, 50. So, x is less than 40. So, we will use the open dot since the symbol is less than. So, open dot ni, and then ang symbol pa ay ang direction is to the left. Okay, so this will be your assignment. Just number 1. Wala ni siya ilabot ha, kani. Wala na siya ilabot. Aman ra sa 8. Nagbalik-balik ni siya. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4 and 5. So, may number 5. Duha naman na siya, ma'am. So, maghatag og example aning number 5 diri. For example, kaning number 10, akong ansiran. So, imo na siyang i-combine ang the same terms or similar terms. 2x, mahimo ni siyang minus 3x kay positive man. Kani, less than negative 8. Nya, positive man ang 7, so mahimo na siyang negative 7. So, negative 2x minus 3x, that's negative 5. Tada na, wait lang, mag-erase ako. Eraser. negative 5x is less than negative 15. Kuha negative 15. Negative 8 minus 7. So, divide both sides by negative. Kung sa kaya may tabo, kung mag-divide tag negative, ma-reverse ang sign. So, x less than man na, mahimo na ng greater than. Yan, negative divided by negative, positive. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So, x is greater than 3. So, paghimo na na mo number line, for example, na diri si negative 3, negative 3. So, this is an open dot. Open dot. Kay greater than man. Padulong lang dito iyahang line. Okay? So, mo example sa number 5. Answer in your notebook. Kaning number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, kaning 8, wala nilabot ha. Negative 8 ha. Tama na din he. Tama na. Okay? Sige, bye.